As indicated by our ongoing Near Protocol cost expectation, the worth of Near Protocol will expanded by 248.41%, coming to $4.04 by end of 2025. All specialized markers especially show that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and avarice file is perusing 29.39, and that implies intense apprehension, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our Near Protocol estimate: it's hazardous to sell Near Protocol at the present time. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while certainly different markers flagged negative signs, showing a truly broad negative feeling among Near Protocol cost forecasts. See the specific Near Protocol cost expectation underneath. You will realize how especially Near Protocol is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Near Protocol essentially has diminished by 2.21%, which is very critical. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Near Protocol expanded by 110.96% and came to near around $2.34. Presently, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file shows 29.39, essentially intense apprehensions. As per our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Near Protocol in an essentially large manner in a real sense. Right now, Near Protocol is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving most certainly normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Near Protocol selling signal, which is very critical. The cost of Near Protocol is right now running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal in a significant manner. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $1.59. Toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, Near Protocol's especially momentary 50-day SMA truly shows a $1.23 incredibly. The general strength record, RSI, force oscillator in a real sense, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unpretentious way. RSI explicitly is right now at Hercivalu, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This shows that the near market truly is in an unbiased position, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Near Protocol value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Near Protocol came to $2.65, when it dipped under $1.24. Interestingly, since January 2021, which is genuinely huge. As per the financial backers and market trades, Near Protocol is headed to passing the $2.44 mark before the current year is over. Before $2.44, it might especially break its characteristic of $20.42 in reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Near Protocol will break its past all-time high of $20.42, and in a real sense, hold somewhere in the range of $2.15 and $2.44 soon, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, on 17 September 2023, Near Protocol is exchanging at $1.11, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 25.57 M, and it fundamentally makes number 41 money in the very entire crypto world. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that Near Protocol can get through the $2.87 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Near Protocol cost will be between $2.39 to $2.87, and the most sort of logical Near Protocol cost will be consistent at around $2.76. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Near Protocol's wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its ecologically hostile energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper certainly is adhering to his expectation that Near Protocol will reach $2.87 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that NEAR will begin the year at $3.27 and exchange around $4.04 in an unobtrusive manner, as per their forecasts. This would be very high contrasted with truly last year in a by and large enormous manner. This explicitly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin in a significant way. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2026. There basically is a decent opportunity that NEAR Protocol 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, however it in a real sense is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $5.07 level, as opposed to prevalent thinking. NEAR Protocol generally is anticipated to arrive at an untouched for the most part high of $4.96 or $5.07 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of NEAR Protocol. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2027. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation, or NEAR, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. NEAR Protocol's cost is supposed to outperform $5.07 in 2027. It has been explicitly anticipated that NEAR Protocol will truly arrive at the by and large greatest cost of $5.07, and the base cost generally is supposed to basically be around $4.27 in the exceptionally next a long time from 2027. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists for the most part express that NEAR Protocol value expectation in specialized examination. NEAR Protocol really is supposed to cross a value level of $5.55 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. In the interim, NEAR Protocol certainly is supposed to really arrive at least cost of $5.27 this year. The greatest cost may generally reach $5.96, which is genuinely critical. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the NEAR Protocol Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of NEAR Protocol will sort of reach $7.98, and the cost of NEAR ought to reach $7.98 before the year's over. Moreover, NEAR can reach up to $7.50 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for NEAR Protocol development, which is genuinely critical. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, NEAR Protocol Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $11.30 normal cost level, as indicated by NEAR Protocol figure in specialized examination, which is very huge. Toward the finish of 2030, NEAR Protocol's base cost for the most part is supposed to be $10.83, which is very huge. Moreover, NEAR can arrive at a most extreme value level of $11.67 in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish